Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming measurements and positioning the zipper repeat so seams lock visually. Once done, mix paste to the recommended consistency and coat the panel or wall per the product. Make a plumb line and place the top of the first panel, smooth downward slowly. You want the zipper motif precisely aligned because any drift compounds with each panel. Make sure to leave a small overlap for trimming. This prevents short seams and preserves the pattern continuity. You now focus on the complex center steps, matching pattern and creating a clean join. Start by aligning the zipper teeth visually, then butt the edges to avoid visible gaps. Press seams with a seam roller while a partner holds the panel taut if possible. Once aligned, smooth from the center out to remove air and paste. This prevents bubbles. Trim overlaps carefully with a fresh blade. Make sure to clean excess paste with a damp sponge right away so it doesn't dry on the design. You complete installation by trimming and finishing edges, then letting the paste set per instructions. Once the wallpaper is mostly dry, trim bottom excess and press edges again to ensure adhesion. If a bubble appears, pierce it with a fine pin and press the air out toward the pinhole. This avoids tearing the pattern. Make sure to inspect seams under angled light to catch misalignment early. Finally, clean tools and protect the surface, while the adhesive fully cures to keep the zipper effect crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.